So I've pulled out the stamps as suitable options to stamp on our envelopes. Envelopes? Envelopes? And would you say envelopes or envelopes?
Envelopes.
Envelopes? Oh yeah, Amy's packaging orders. Thanks, Amy, for packaging orders. Anyway, we've been wanting to use stamps on our envelopes, and we just wanted to test it out with stamps I already had before like investing or carving out our own stamps for the shop. So what I've pulled out from my little stamp collection, these are the clear stamps, and I thought the special delivery or the airmail could be cute. This is from Michael's, the Craft Smart brand, and I think this love one is pretty cute. So these two are both from Target, I believe. The Target Bullseye's Playground Dollar Spot. I don't think it's there anymore, because I got it a couple years ago around Valentine's Day, or Valentine's Day for this, Christmas for this. And then I really like this mailbox one with mail because it's Happy Mail. Okay, here we go. There's a crease here though. Well, done. Oh, so cute. Stamping so much fun though. Hey. Could have stamped better, Helen, but that's okay. Do better. We could do the center. Too much in the center. Just be consistent. Oh, that's also cute. Everything's cute. So these are the male ones. Well, not the male ones. The ones I like the most. Love, honey, with love. Okay. You screw up?
No. But I almost did. But I caught myself.
Ooh, nice. Kim said that the self-inking stamps aren't as consistent and doesn't stamp as evenly, I believe. So it doesn't come out looking as nice and the lines aren't as clean every single time. It's more convenient, so. Satisfied.
Can I have a red pen? Red.
I just want to start recording. No, it's cool. You're the one that's gonna be embarrassed.
gonna have a lighter green pen. I'm so sorry!
I was gonna put the
Yeah, I
pen
can
down,
wait, I can wait!
and then I got distracted. It was like, I was gonna mess it up! I'm gonna color outside the lines!
I'm so sorry! I'm so sorry!
I don't know, I was freaking out so much. Maybe drinking too much caffeine today. I don't really drink caffeine on a day-to-day basis, so tea and coffee. I just didn't expect you to bring 2 cups of coffee home.
I didn't either. I didn't expect to get 2 cups of coffee or receive it.
Maybe? Maybe you have something on your mouth. Okay. I'll let you be.